just got the new battery installed. Interstate, best battery made. Get the life out of them. Dozer's running. Got a load of item 4 processed gravel. We're just gonna extend this parking area right here where these flags are. Make this bigger so when he comes out of his garage he can loop out and go on his business. All right, see you. All right, guys, we're just locking the machines up completely, every little compartment we can for safety now that we have to. Just got done rolling and regrading that driveway, putting this parking area in. Got to do a little more tune up in here, but yeah, we got everything rolled out down here again, tuned back up. I'm sure Cowboy will have that all messed up in a matter of weeks soon as the backhoe is fixed. But other than that, parking lot's in, and we're gonna hit lunch up and plan the afternoon. We may come back and do this foam, may not, not sure yet. All right, we got the blue foam going in, and we will place it like this whole course, and then the other opposite way, the next course, plastic in between. All right, Meek's got his hot knife going. 1,000 degrees. Crackling and sizzling.
So you can saw it back.
All right, at the end of the day, we got 90% of this first layer in. I mean, we started this at 2 o'clock, so whatever. It's probably 4 o'clock now. A couple hours it took to do this. Maybe 3 hours. Want it tight and nice, you know, and sometimes you got to pick them back up and bed under them. But that hot knife works good. We would have got all this in, but the plumbers are holding us up on the whole project now. We came back. I have it scheduled for this week, and they didn't even show up today. They're supposed to be done, but they got pipes coming in here in the garage, and I guess they're gonna put a pipe over to here for a bathroom at one point. Maybe this kid's gonna turn this into an apartment, I don't know. But anyways, this is gonna be a nightmare in here. On the print, it shows 8 to 10 stub ups. That's it on the whole plumbing. That's what I bid. I counted them today. There's 66 stub ups. That means it's harder to get the pea stone in. It's harder to get all my foam cut, and then it's harder. I gotta put expansion around everything for concrete. Then it's harder to, you know, to finish all concrete around every pipe. And then it's just a crack hazard. Anything protruding through the concrete is a crack hazard. So I told them that today, and you know, obviously there's gonna be an extra here. I can't, this is definitely a change order. I'm not gonna keep this price the same for all this extra work for sure. So that will be discussed before we go any further. All right, we will see you tomorrow. We will hopefully, I don't know if we'll be here or not, but I don't have the parts for that machine yet, but dozer's up and running, and we'll see you tomorrow somewhere.